This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Ethereum today. First, let's put my charts into perspective. This area here is a candlestick area here. This is a volume profile. This is a slow stochastic indicator. This is a MACD indicator. These purple lines that you're seeing here, these are Camarilla pivot points. This is Camarilla pivot S3. This is Camarilla pivot S3. This is Camarilla pivot S4. This blue line that you see here, this is the 200 exponential moving average. Here's the 15-minute chart. This is the 60-minute chart. And this is the 4-hour chart. This morning I made things much harder on myself by over trading and being very long biased, which I'll show you later on my tickets, but led to a bunch of small losses, just basically chopping myself up. Then that also trading in the pre-market to the U.S. Open instead of waiting for the market to open. So mistakes were made early, and today was able to clean that up here later in the afternoon or later in the morning here. So here on Ethereum, first we'll come down to the 4-hour chart. So trading below the 200 EMA here on the 4-hour chart. We can also see we're headed here into some oversold conditions here, or potentially some aggressive selling, like we're seeing here with increased seller momentum here on the 4-hour, and the MACD trading under the average. Here on the 1-hour, price action started. This is the S3 and S4 here. Price action started above S3, sold off. We can see the volume profile elevate here as the price action sells below and tests the 200 EMA here, and then price action sells off below the 200 EMA, and we can see the slow K crossover or cross under the slow D here, going into an oversold condition. And we can see increasing seller momentum with the MACD well below the average. I took my entry up here. I'll bring in the mouse here. I stopped out on this first entry. My stop was too tight. I didn't wait for pullback here. And eventually I put my stop here for these entries here as we were retesting. But essentially, this around 217 is where I was able to consistently take entries here, and we can see this elevated volume profile as Camarilla pivot S4 is crossed, and based on my trading system, price action selling off below S4 is a potential to an S6 level trade to take profits. We can see we're in oversold conditions pretty much throughout where I was taking entries. We can see the increasing seller momentum with the MACD here below the average, and again price action under the 200 EMA here. And then I was able to take profits at this level down here at my profit target was at 203. 203.14, so from 217 to 203, and then it sold off some more here before we're moving back up in price here. Maybe go back up to retest this S4, or it may fail before then. We'll see how it goes. We'll come over to my tickets, and you can see here just chopping myself up with a bunch of small losses. I don't think anything is over like 35 cents. Taking small positions like 50-cent risk, but with my stops being tight, being nowhere near that level of risk. I mean, you can see these like 4-cent losses, just small stuff here and there. But that basically just set me up for being able to clean up my day or my morning here. And basically, these 3 positions, or with Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin, being able to recover my day and then some a bit. Not particularly impressed at all with how I managed trading this morning, but with the changes that I've made with my charts and time frames here, hopefully I will find myself in fewer positions, but likely stronger positions. But we'll see how this goes. But this was my trade today on Ethereum, and this is on Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.